Hi. How you doing? Okay. Yes, I took a bath. So, alright. This is for my video, for my YouTube. And I need a lot of subscribers. I need like a lot. So if you can try to give me a lot. So like, mostly a lot. And I need a lot. Alright. So, let's say what I asked my parent if I could get me a iPad, and they're not gonna believe what she said. Cause I said, can I get an iPad? And I showed her the picture of it. I showed her the picture. Just the picture only. And she said yes. I cannot believe she said yes. And so, yeah. And I already got my Christmas list already done. So, okay. The first thing on my Christmas list is an iPad Gold. That is what they want. Okay. CD player, a laptop red, Shawn Mendes t-shirt, men extra large black, and the fifth one is a New York hat red, and the sixth one is art and craft supply. So that is that list. It is like a very short little list. So here is my list. It's a Christmas list. And like, so 3. So that's my Christmas list. Okay. I'm here. Okay, so there's my Christmas list. Alright, and here is my iPad games. Well, not all of them are games, but like one of them's Facebook, YouTube, Nick. Like, most of them are like all games down to 8. Most of them are games and most of them are apps that I can usually use. So, keep this so I don't budge to lose it. And, so yeah, that is what I will be getting. So, it'd be great. Because iPad is a lot bigger than a tablet. I already got a tablet. And I just need an iPad. It's a lot bigger too. So, that is what I like. And if you want to know what gigabyte I will be getting, it's probably 32 gigabyte. That is the best thing I could get at the moment. And yeah. So that is what I'll be getting. And it's going to be for Christmas. That's in December. And that is on my boyfriend's birthday. And that and then it'll be my birthday. So we got like a few days remaining, I guess. As I would say. I don't know. I mean, like, as I would really say. And, so yeah, that's what I'll be getting. It's gonna be gold. And I still got a main of cases, though. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Peace out. Love you. Love you. Bye. Bye, guys. Give me more YouTube on... Give me likes on YouTube. Alright, guys. More likes, please. I need a bunch of them. Alright, guys, I gotta go. Peace out. Bye.